Hello, swing traders. Welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Today I want to talk about Microsoft. It's everybody's favorite, but in particular, I want to talk about how Microsoft is using AI to integrate with their existing productivity tools like Outlook, Excel, Word, Notes, in order to eliminate repetitious tasks and use artificial intelligence to do tasks. They're able to train it to anticipate certain inputs, like if an email comes in from Outlook, they'll know where to send it to, what to answer, maybe translate it into many different languages and send it out. Things that currently must be done manually, but they're now using AI to integrate these tasks. Well, I want to be a buyer of Microsoft, and in fact, I was a buyer late in the afternoon. And again, our topic is how Microsoft is using AI to integrate its productivity tools. At the Ignite conference in 2024, the Microsoft CEO introduced AI agents that can handle tasks autonomously and with intelligence. Of course, these agents streamline operations by reducing manual workloads in processing customer returns and managing invoices. In other words, doing the repetitious tasks that would take somebody manually hours and hours and hours. You can train AI to handle this seamlessly. Microsoft 365 Copilot Actions automate repetitive tasks in tools like PowerPoint and, of course, Excel too. PowerPoint can now translate presentations into 40 different languages automatically, brand it, and send out those to a list of customers. I would hope Microsoft conference calls are done just like that. Excel's Copilot suggests templates, enhancing user experience. It knows what the other guys are doing and what the customer wants and provides you that information so you can satisfy your customers in much the same way. I don't know how many spreadsheets I built, paving the way as if it was the first time anybody has ever done it. And I think about all the time I could save if I could use a template that somebody else has built and go from there. Most of my work, I was a metrics analyst for a big computer company. Most of the things I did were very routine, and I'm sure other companies are doing the same thing. So why reinvent the wheel? Can you imagine taking an email and then developing a schedule and then emailing out all the recipients of that meeting automatically with no human intervention? That's the power of AI. Personalized branding and presentations is very important for a major company. And if this can be done automatically, it'd save a lot of time. The point of all this is to improve efficiency and save money. And this is just one way that Microsoft is using AI. They're doing a whole lot of other things strategically to boost the company, particularly in the development of chips. They're partnered with AMD, and they have other partnerships: supply chain management, energy, education, predictive maintenance. Lots of things can be done by AI, and Microsoft has invested heavily in the AI. I think that this is one of they're betting the farm on it. But of course, the productivity suite, Excel, Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, some form of those will exist for many, many years. That is their bread and butter as well. Microsoft's custom hardware development, with working with major chip companies like AMD, their strategic partners with the other companies. Microsoft's multifaceted approach to AI encompasses the development of autonomous agents, the creation of specialized hardware, and strategic partnerships, all contributing to the enhanced productivity and financial growth. This is a company that's going to be around for a long, long time. And if you can invest in NVIDIA, AMD, and their chip companies. Okay, the companies like Microsoft, Meta, Alphabet, it's more of a strategic data type driven companies. And that's what I think is the money is going to be, that data and manipulating and using data for the betterment and profit of your company. Let's dig down a little further into Microsoft. Looking at Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT, you can see that this stock moves in a cycle. And as a swing trader, I like to pick the tops and the bottoms and capture that trend in between. And this stock moves in cycles. And because it's a big industrial stock, MACD also is good at predicting. And if you see, here's a crossover, and well, that's where, if you draw it straight, that's showing a good downward slide. Here's a crossover here, it goes down, and that's about right here. We have a crossover, and we'll say it right there, and that shows a good cycle up. And also the RSI. RSI below the 30 is an indicator that it might have a trend up. And sure enough, that's what it does. And an RSI of above 70 might be a reversal in store, and that's what happened there. So the RSI and the MACD are good predictors for a good stock, for a good industrial stock. This stock, according to TradingView, the technicals are at a sell, and of course you can see that this is going down. But the analyst rating is a strong buy, and they're predicting this stock to go to 501. 501 is up in here. I'm saying it'll go about 435, somewhere around in here. 45 analysts cover this, and 40 of them are thinking it's going to go, or strong buy. 40 of them are strong buy, 40 strong buy, 44, and most of them are buys. Some analysts think it's going to go up to 600. The average is 501, and I think it's going to go to 430. Okay, in the near term, by February 20th or so, mid-February, I think it's going to go to 435. Somewhere right in there, 435. So a lot of people use the buy and short symbols here in TradingView. And if I can find something for 435, and hopefully it'll go up that way, we'll have some profit. And we can set this thing below, looking at the zigzag. So there's our trade. Let's see if we can find something. And of course, I'm saying, and I already looked at this, I'm going to go out to February. The tool I like to use is Option Strat. It's a free tool. Most of it's free. This is a free version here. And I type in Microsoft, and I can select the various different option spreads here. But I want to go long, and that's going to be a bull put spread, is a long strategy. Now, I could have done this trade for $500, but I chose to go for a little wider because I'm not going to trade so much the next 3 weeks. So I'm going to take a bigger position. And this is going to cost me to put $1,500 away on margin, which I'm going to immediately get back $750. And my max loss is about the same. And as long as it stays above 422, which you can see, it only has to go up a little bit more, and I think it will. By February 21st, I have a winner on my hands. So if it gets to 422, there's 420, there's my win line right here. But if it gets to 430 and above, there it is. That's when I can get my $753. When I can take a profit anywhere along here. As soon as it rises up, I can take, if I just want to take a $5 or $30 profit, I can take it any time. But I think it's going to 430 or 430 or 435. Right there it is. And you can bring it down. So just if it gets up there, and I think it will, I have a winner on my hands. 430. Take a look one more time. 430 puts me on the win line. If it gets up there soon, in the next day or two, I can make $150 real quick, and that's not bad by risking going 700. So what do you think? Is this going up, going down, sideways? Mid-February is 3 months from now. That's a lot of time. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this trade. But remember, do your own due diligence and don't listen to anybody on the internet. Not anybody, but you could learn from them. So happy trading. We'll catch you on the slip. Microsoft, AI, chip makers. Microsoft uses those chips. They have a relationship with the chip makers. Alphabet, Facebook, and Microsoft are going to all be leaders in the AI revolution. We'll catch you in the flip. Happy trading.